It feels amazing to open up the first Lee Stafford Academy in Wales, because the college that we're collaborating with in Wales is an amazing college. I mean, they've got a brilliant attitude, they're driven, they've got enthusiasm, they're excited, they're being so proactive in the marketing that they're doing. So what students can expect when they train at Lee Stafford Academy is quality recipes that are simple, that are easy, but they're incredibly effective. Recipes that you can go out into the big wide world with and get an amazing job with. You can do your friend's hair or clients and make money out of. You know, they are not box ticking recipes or box ticking techniques. They are real relevant recipes that you will end up working with for the rest of your life. This event tonight is amazing. I can't believe it. I mean, it's probably the best event that any college has ever put on for a Lee Stafford event. So I want to thank the college very much, and if this is anything to go by, then any student that comes here is going to have an amazing, exciting experience.